Yeah. I got 3 kilos. That's 32.5. Juju on the mic. And it's motherfucking live. Cause I never said a lie. Cause I don't like to tell the truth. But I'm telling you, I'm exactly that when I'm in the booth. Man, I go poof like abracadabra, abra, calakazam, bam. I hit you in the face like wham, body slam. My lyrical verses be so cursive, like words connected when I'm writing in the pen. Chopped it with the gin. Man, I mean the gin, cause I'm pouring in the cup, cause Juju so turned up. And you niggas don't wanna buck. With a nigga like me, I got a head so hard. And man, I got sharp claws with Wolverine bars. Man, I meant Wolverine claws with really sharp bars. Man, fuck it, I'm going so on Mars far. Damn, Juju gon' kill him again. Coming with that chop, I'm killing with sin, and I'm killing with blessings. I bless him with a verses. Man, I mean I'm spitting cursive, cause my words connected like them letters when I write them down on the pad. You niggas getting mad, cause I spit lyrical savagery. Sicker than your average be. Fatherless bastard I be. Man, I got malice, savage with trees, cause I'm smoking trees like it's damn, rolling in the blunt. That shit fruity like a box of Wonka, so I'm in a Wonka runts. Fuck it. Smoking on a cigarette, gold card, I got chips in the bucket, stacking them like Pringles. Man, I get so tall, and I'm so fall. Flow changing like the seasons. Juju ain't Jesus, but I be the reason. Ah, motherfuckers.